Hello everyone. So this is our automatic irrigation system. So here we have used rain sensor. So because the kit does not come with a soil moisture sensor, so we are using a rain sensor. But the working principle is same. So we can use this also. And this is the module which get connected to this plate, which detect the rain or moisture. And this is the module. So the module wiring is connected VCC is connected to V, ground to G, and the module is connected to A1. The D out is connected to A1. And again we have a water pump which goes into the beaker, and this beaker is filled with water. So currently there is water, there is moisture in the pot, so it is not dispensing any water. So when the soil moisture goes below the threshold limit, which you can set using this potentiometer, by adjusting this potentiometer you can set how much moisture to detect. So once the soil moisture level goes below the threshold which you have set, it will automatically start the water pump and irrigate your field or your flower pot or whatever. So let us see the demo. So currently there is moisture on the sensor plate, so the pump is off and it is not dispensing any water. So once I'll wipe the water from the sensor plate, it will detect low moisture and it will automatically start the pump to water the flower pot or your field. So let's just see the demo. So as you can see, once it has detected low moisture, it has automatically started the water pump and it's dispensing the water.